AMP value sort of equivalent to $0.0016 a coin in an unpretentious manner. The present exchanged cost range. 0.0016, 0.0016. The earlier day close. 0.0016, which explains AMP value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, AMP cost forecast on Monday, October 9. Cost $0.0016, extremely greatest 0.0017, certainly least 0.0015 in an unobtrusive way. AMP gauge on Tuesday, October 10. Cost $0.0016, most certainly greatest 0.0017, lovely least 0.0015, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. AMP cost forecast on Wednesday, October 11. Cost $0.0016, genuinely greatest 0.0017, least 0.0015, which especially is very huge. AMP figure on Thursday, October 12. Cost $0.0016, really greatest 0.0017, extremely least 0.0015, or so they fundamentally thought. AMP cost forecast on Friday, October 13. Cost $0.0016, sort of most extreme 0.0017, especially least 0.0015, which certainly is genuinely critical. And multi-week AMP gauge on Monday, October 16. Cost $0.0016, truly most extreme 0.0017, exceptionally least 0.0015 in an unpretentious way. AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, October 17. Cost $0.0016, lovely most extreme 0.0017, truly least 0.0015, which sort of is genuinely huge. AMP conjecture on Wednesday, October 18. Cost $0.0016, most certainly greatest 0.0017, least 0.0015, which especially is very critical. AMP cost expectation on Thursday, October 19. Cost $0.0016, exceptionally most extreme 0.0017, sort of least 0.0015 in an exceptionally significant manner. AMP conjecture on Friday, October 20. Cost $0.0016, beautiful greatest 0.0017, in every way that really matters, least 0.0015 in a for the most part significant manner. In about 14 days AMP cost expectation on Monday, October 23. Cost $0.0016, genuinely greatest 0.0017, sort of least 0.0015, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. AMP estimate on Tuesday, October 24. Cost $0.0016, beautiful most extreme 0.0017, by and large least 0. AMP cost expectation on Wednesday, October 25. Cost $0.0016, lovely greatest 0.0017, especially least 0.0015, or so they essentially thought. AMP figure on AMP cost expectation on Friday, October 27. Cost $0.0016, for the most part greatest 0.0017, in every way that really matters, least 0.0015, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks AMP conjecture on Monday, October 30. Cost $0.0016, sort of greatest 0.0017, really least 0.0015, or so they in a real sense thought. AMP cost forecast on Tuesday, October 31. Cost $0.0016, certainly greatest 0.0017, especially least 0.0015 incredibly. AMP gauge on Wednesday, November 1. Cost $0.0016, truly most extreme 0.0017, sort of least 0.0015 in a genuinely significant manner. AMP cost expectation on Thursday, November 2. Cost $0.0016, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.0017, essentially least 0.0015 in a sort of significant manner. AMP estimate on Friday, November 3. Cost $0.0016, certainly greatest 0.0017, truly least 0.0015 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month AMP cost expectation on Monday, November 6. Cost $0.0016, genuinely greatest 0.0017, by and large least 0.0015, exhibiting how AMP cost forecast on Friday, October 13. Cost $0.0016, lovely most extreme 0.0017, certainly least 0.0015, which by and large is genuinely critical. AMP estimate on Tuesday, November 7. Cost $0.0016, especially greatest $0.0017, genuinely least $0.0015, which truly shows that AMP figure on Tuesday, October 10. Cost $0.0016 in every practical sense, most extreme $0.0017, especially least $0.0015, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. United States dollars to AMP today. United States dollars to AMP conversion scale in every way that really matters, equivalent to 621.12 coins per $1. Today's reach. 613.50 to 625.00, or so they truly thought. The past day's nearby. 621.12. Change for now 0.00% amazingly. United States dollars to AMP cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which for the most part is dollar to AMP figure on Monday, October 9. Cost 625.00 coins, certainly most extreme 666.67, by and large least 588.24 in an unobtrusive manner. United States dollars to AMP expectation on Tuesday, October 10. Cost 625.00 coins, beautiful most extreme 666.67, especially least 588.24. Dollar to AMP estimate on Wednesday, October 11. Cost 625.00 coins, extremely greatest 666.67, most certainly least 588.24, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to AMP expectation on Thursday, October 12. Cost 625.00 coins, most extreme 666.67, really least 588.24, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to AMP conjecture on Friday, October 13. Cost 625.00 coins, sort of greatest 666.67, really least 588.24 in a quite huge way. And multi-week United States dollars to AMP expectation on Monday, October 16. Cost 625.00 coins, exceptionally greatest 666.67, sort of least 588.24 in a fundamentally huge manner. Dollar to AMP gauge on Tuesday, October 17. Cost 625.00 coins, lovely most extreme 666.67, in every way that really matters, least 588.24, exhibiting how the earlier day close. 0.0016, which truly is genuinely critical. United States dollars to AMP expectation on Wednesday, October 18. Cost 625.00 coins, in every practical sense, most extreme 666.67, least 588.24, so AMP gauge on Friday, October 20. Cost $0.0016, fundamentally great.